Alright, so mic doesn't want to work ever. It just doesn't want to turn on. So right now you can see it's charging. Looks fine. It's going from 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm gonna unplug it. And I'm gonna try to turn it on. And it's gonna blink once. Then it's not gonna turn on because it's just that fucking cool. And let's move it around a little bit and make it possibly work. Try again. Oh, no. Wait. Oh, it didn't turn on. What a fucking shocker. Let's just throw it on the ground a little bit. Maybe now it'll work. Oh, no, it won't even blink. This is just fucking great. Let's try again. Oh, now it blinks. And it doesn't fucking work. So, yeah, let's throw it against the wall. And it still doesn't work. Yeah, this piece of shit.